guys, what's going on? Welcome to the last video for this, my annual big project home. It seems like every year since I started real estate, I always have this one big project. So this house is that one big project. The last video that I gave you guys was 6 months ago, and that was when I purchased the house. Now this video, I'm gonna do a little time lapse and show you guys what the process has been, because this house was like a full gut job. I mean, down to the bones. We had to change the bones of this house because of like termites and other issues. So this is a brand new house, damn near from scratch. So I'm gonna do a little time lapse, because I did go I go there like every week or every 2 weeks, just to kind of check on the progress and stuff, even though I always get visuals regularly. But I go to take these videos for you guys that are interested in this stuff. So let's get into the time lapse, and then I should be arriving at the house in like the next 10 minutes, show you guys the progress and kind of update you guys on everything. But before we get into that, I got a new passenger princess. This chilling over here with me now. That's the CCA MCK with the 50 drum barrel, and also it got the G-force trigger. But we're not gonna get into that because this video is not about that. That's just my new passenger princess. You guys could check that out on the next video if you're into some gun action. But anyway, let's get into the time lapse. Alright guys, so hope you enjoyed that little time lapse of basically the last 6 months of what's been going on with this house. So right now, just reached the property. Gonna go inside, show you guys where it's at. The reason why I'm actually giving you this video a little bit prematurely before the house is done, because this was projected to be a 6 to 8 month project, but it will be done in the next few weeks. It should be done in probably like the next 3-4 weeks. Problem is, if most of you guys might know, it's the end of the year, which is world tour time for me. It's time for me to go on my world tour. I'll be all over Southeast Asia, Japan, China, Thailand, all over the place. So stay tuned. Those videos are going to be coming too. So when this house is actually completed and goes on the market, I will be absent. I will be across seas. So, and the other thing is, we got 2 potential offers on the house before it's been even completed. So fingers crossed, hopefully, get a contract while I'm away, because that's the beauty of all this. Hopefully it just sells while I'm away, get some money deposited in my account. That would be cool, right? Yeah, without further ado, let's go check it out. So we got the front door there. All the flooring to go in is here. Right, we got all the sheetrock here. You can see it's ready for flooring. Got the new windows in already. This is the living room, dining area. Brand new HVAC going in. A closet underneath the stairway. Got bedroom number 1. Just they're gonna put that centerpiece in there. This is the bathroom, the main bathroom here. Bedroom number 2. And this is the master. This is the master bedroom. It's the closet there. They're gonna be finishing up these floors, obviously. Bathroom, it's all tiled out. So that looks good already. It's gonna have, double vanity in there for the master. And then the beauty about the master is we're gonna have a door right here. We're gonna have a nice door that comes out to the balcony. And this will be strictly for the master bedroom. It's all decked out. This deck was always good. Gonna put that nice door there. Close up this area because there used to be a door there. And get a new staircase in there. Got all the electrical, all the plumbing, all that is already completed. So you can see this big open concept. Like, this is huge, this open concept here. With the stairway in the middle. It's gonna be the kitchen. This is gonna be like, like the second living room here. There's gonna be another bathroom here. There's gonna be a half bath here. And this is just a breaker area. See, they already primed the entire house is already primed. So this is a breaker room and a laundry room. Laundry fittings all over there. With its exit door here. Got the fireplace, which is still active. So we're gonna still get that going, but this big open nice concept kitchen, like this is just beautiful. Like this open concept is beautiful. So you saw the 3 bedrooms down here. Then we go upstairs. And upstairs we got this big open room here. Like this is just a whatever you want to do room. Like you can use this room forever for whatever you want. There'll be some storage underneath there. But it's huge, this room. Big open. You can see all the drop lights. It's gonna be in there. So, that'll be like a fourth room. Come around this side here. And we got a small room here. This will be like a small bedroom. This will be like a 5th room here. So this is also really nice. Then you just come around here. We got a full bathroom. It's gonna be up here. You can see it's already gotten tiled. So upstairs gets a bathroom. come around. This will just be a little storage. But how beautiful is that? You know what I mean? Like, bathroom. It'll be like a little balcony here. Balcony area here. Bedroom, extra room, bathroom, all upstairs. Like, this house is, the whole idea, the concept, everything is just beautiful, you know, and that's why we have potentially 2 offers already on this house. We got the front door. It's gonna go in there, and yeah, I mean, we can walk around. All the finishing up stuff here, the flooring. So, you know, nice front yard. This particular property does sit on 3 acres, so it's huge. And at the price point, it's an amazing price point. I'm gonna leave the place set there for whoever it comes here. Hopefully they got kids. But finish up, the guy's gonna finish up some brickwork there. You can see, you know, all the new windows are in. The balcony is all set. That's just an extra building there, extra building there, a little extra building there. But huge yard space, huge yard space. We cut down a bunch of trees that was there. You know, the land space go all the way back. It recesses all the way back there. Another like 1.5 acres. It recesses back. We're not gonna do anything with that building there. Just gonna leave it. Then we got the extra home there, which is, you know, you could use that kind of like an in-law suite. And then the huge garage building there. Hey,
Yeah.
what's up, Dad?
How you doing over there?
I'm good. I was just shooting a video, just saying hi. I gotta run,
All right, bro.
but good to see you. Enjoy your weekend. Okay. All right. Enjoy your weekend. All right. Passenger princess. All right, guys. So I had to run. Couldn't stay there too long, but you see it. You know, that you could pretty much get a perspective of, you know, the potential, and I mean, just the size of that house. It's huge inside, and yeah, I can't wait till, you know, all the finishing stuff are done, but all the hard work, all the heavy lifting is already completed. And you know, yeah, my guys have been doing, you know, an amazing job on that house. And although it is one of those longer term projects in this particular business, those longer term projects usually pay a lot more than some of the shorter ones. And you know, if the numbers are all correct, which, you know, we're usually pretty close to our numbers when we purchase these homes, then it should be good. But like I said, guys, you know, like, you know, subscribe. You know, you like this kind of content. When I do get back, I'll be back in December. When I do get back, obviously, you know, I'll be ready to purchase something else, because I did just sell another property. Well, it's under contract. It should be sold in a couple days, and we can allocate some of those funds towards another purchase. So the next videos they'll be uploading, guys, you'll see you know, Passenger Princess over there loading up if you're into guns. And then you will also, for the next several weeks, you're gonna see world tour stuff. You know, just me and my wife just gonna enjoy the world and everything that it has to offer, you know, because that's what life is all about, enjoying every moment of it. So guys, thank you for watching. Catch you on the next one. You got any questions, just drop them down below. If you got any questions about the house, or you want to know anything about this real estate journey. I don't sell courses, even though people tell me I should sell courses. I don't sell shit. I sell houses, but I don't sell courses. I don't sell people information. I'll give free information because that's what life is about, paying it forward, right? Anyway, guys, catch you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching, and peace.